Hello there, this is Ryan Denton, Instructional Technology Coach for the Richland County School District. I have a brief video for you on navigating Skyward, which is the student information system here in the district. There's a lot going on in Skyward, but we want to just focus on a few key components that are going to be especially useful to you as a parent. So for starters, we're going to look at the newsfeed area that you'll see as soon as you log in. You'll see here that they're kind of similar to you would see in Facebook or something along those lines. You've got school-wide announcements or district-wide announcements that show up, and this will be somewhat tailored to you and to your student based on what building they're in and so forth. So you can also find above the newsfeed area a link if you have unread messages that may come from your child's teacher or for other people from other people who have information to send you pertaining to your student. There are also over on the right hand side some upcoming events. So again, this is kind of tailored to you and your student. And then there is the possibility as well, a link above that you can click on that will take you to calendar view to see the events that have been placed in there. Again, over on the left-hand side, you'll see there's a lot of stuff going on over here, and we're only going to touch on a couple of them, but this information area is also a place where if you do need to access any of these other things and utilize them, you'll probably get information regarding that or something pointing you in that direction from your child's teachers, administrators, and etc. So this is a pretty important piece. One of the other areas we want to look at is the gradebook for your student. And when you get to that page, you'll see that there's a panel that shows up that has all your child's classes and teachers listed. And then over to the right-hand side, you'll see their grades for the various different quarters as the grades start to come in for your student. No grades in here yet, but I can still go ahead and click in each panel and it'll show me a summary of how my student has received the grade that they have. There'll be grades for all their homework, tests, quizzes, etc. that will be listed in here for that class. So pretty straightforward and simple there. The other area that we wanted to look at is paying fees for lunch and so forth. So if you click on food service over on the left-hand side here, it'll take you to an area where you'll have how much is owed and how much money you have on your student's account and those kinds of things. And there's also right here an area where you can click to make a payment. This will kick you out to another page where you can enter your information to go ahead and add money to your student's account. So one final thing that I want to mention here as well is that there is a specific Skyward URL address for our school district to help you to get logged in properly. So just in case you're not familiar, you can go to the school website for whatever building your student is in, and right up at the very top, you'll see there that Skyward is there, and you can click on that, and we'll take you to a login page, and you'll see that it says Richland County Community Unit number 1, so you can use your login information there. If you have any questions about anything at all pertaining to Skyward, feel free to reach out to me. My email address is rdenton@rccu1.net. You can also reach out to your child's teachers as well, and they will be happy to help you out in any way that we can.